你怎么买这个车子给妈咪呢？
Happy Mother's Day, mommy. Happy Mother's Day.
哎，
Oh my
哇，
god！
你那么拉风，
我是打麻将啊。
网民好，哎，你对我们太好了。
Happy Mother's Day, mommy.
I never have a car.
哎，你有那 Mustang 啊？是不是有那 Mustang？
那也是到问到几个
Happy Mother's Day, mommy.
谁买的？啊
We all bought it, mommy.
啊？
We all bought it for you.
谁呀？
Steve, Daddy, me, Google, Ashing Ai.
什么阿去哪里？
She chipped in a few hundred. Yeah,
啊？
she chipped in some.
你要不要可以？
You gotta go start the car,
他
mom.
的租车在那里。你还要不要我帮你租车子啊？在我旁边。
为什么给妈咪车子嘞？
Mommy, you've been a good mom to us.
哎，这很拉风啊！这海底的车子是2012。
哎呀，这好，这好看。
拿得快。
Mom, remember you told me 10 years ago I wish I had a new car with a red bow on top? You told me that.
So who bring here? Weiner?
We bought it from David. Again.
Really?
From Jeff Weiler.
Really?
Yep.
我认识你啊。
他认识我，妈妈是 high school，number one 的 Royal。